Hello everyone, good evening to all of the viewers who are watching this video right now. So this is Rajesh from Scimath videos YouTube channel. So today I would like to welcome all the viewers who are there here. I know a few are of course the students who have just passed the SLC examination successfully by getting 100% results throughout the state this year, and welcome to students who are just now entered the 10th standard SLC board this year. In most of the places of Karnataka already the classes have started. Private school has started, even government has started online classes. So here in this channel, so many of you who are viewing it, you already know this is a channel basically for science and mathematics. That's why we call it Scimath videos. So here we like to teach mathematics not like in a regular manner, in regular pattern. We want to remove that fear of mathematics that you people have. Most of you, even I had that fear of mathematics. The fear to approach the problem, to solve the problems. As soon as I see those big problems, I used to get fear. I used to be like, will I able to do those mathematics? When my friends in the classroom used to do few very fastly mathematics, I was worrying, why are they doing, why I can't do? Am I lower than them? This was even, I was thinking when I was in school days. But here in this channel, I want to remove you that fear. I want to bring confidence to you people who are watching this. All my viewers should be very confident in mathematics. Especially in 10th standard, it is a very important foundation for all the courses that you do in future. Basically, of course, we are not studying only for jobs, right? We are studying so that we get knowledge. We become confident about ourselves. We become a man. Education should had made the people who were in jungle today became human because of education. Education should make a man out of barbarism. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಡು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. Even education is that itself. Marks, percentage, everything will follow once you understand the subject, love the subject, get confidence in that subject. So we from this channel want to bring you that confidence, especially in mathematics and also in science. We should not fear, because this is the science and mathematics, the basis for everything. You go to PUC, you take science, commerce or arts, whatever you take, whatever you want to become in life, these are the basic, right, foundation. If the foundation is not right, it is very difficult for you to do anything in life. So this channel will definitely, I can assure you, we will help you towards that. So after entire year you watch, those who are watching 10th standard students, after you watch my channel for entire year, I can assure you, you will be more confident in mathematics, and you will feel that you can definitely do many more things in mathematics, and you will start loving mathematics. That I can definitely assure you, because we put that effort so that you will not lose confidence and have a fear of mathematics. We will try our best and bring out a better mathematics from you. So already we have many videos in this channel about recent examination that got over. You can see, you can just watch them if you want. There was a overwhelming response from students for this quiz shows, what I did, and many other things that we did about examinations. I'm very happy to those viewers also, and they're still there in this channel, and they're also asking many videos about PUC and many other videos related to them. We're also always there to help them, and also you people who have just now started 10th standard, who came to 10th standard. So first of all, this is what I want to say. Welcome all of you to this channel. So every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 6 to 7 o'clock, you must give to us. That 1 hour you should give to us, so that you will excel in mathematics. That 1 hour. Even if sometime you can't watch this live chat classes, it will definitely be in the YouTube. You should come back and watch it. We will be solving and doing problems of entire syllabus. Everything we'll be doing. Weekend 2 classes, 1 hour each classes, 6 to 7. Sometimes you may cross 1 hour maximum. I will try to finish it by 1 hour, because we have so many problems in the textbook. We need to solve all this problem, and more than solving, make you understand the topics. So when you understand, when you do these problems, of course marks will follow, and you all will get more than 90%. This I can definitely assure. Now getting into this year mathematics, that's why the topic is introduction to mathematics. So firstly I want to say, if you have the fear of mathematics, forget it. From today you forget it. I will assure that you will not fear about mathematics from today. We will make such classes. I would try to bring such classes to you people, so that you will be more encouraged, more confident, and you should start loving mathematics. We will try to make it. ಸೊ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಯ ಇದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and you can definitely do. Anybody can do. It is not very difficult. You are 10th standard, you can definitely do. Okay, so forget about your past. ನಾನು ಹಂಗಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Forget everything and now focus on 10th standard and weekend classes. You come. And also by coming to these classes, I will definitely share important questions, important concepts, the notes about each classes. I will share among you people, so you can have that. You can have formula sheets. You can have various things which related to subject. I will definitely share with all of you. So we will have this journey for next 1 year. Very happy, and let us learn mathematics in fun. Okay, tumba serious agi. Seriousness ಬೇಕು, of course seriousness is important, but let us learn maths in different way. Okay, I will try my best to put maths to you in a different manner. So now in this year mathematics, we see, of course we have 2 textbooks as usual. 8th ಇಂದ ನಾವು 2 textbooks, 7th ಇಂದನೇ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 2 textbook ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. part 1 and part 2 you have 2 textbooks, and this year too you have 2 textbooks. The first question is, sir, we also will have MCQ pattern as your right now as your senior, sir. Exactly 100% no. MCQ was only for those batch which did not attend many classes. Okay, they could not attend due to COVID first wave and second wave. That is why they were given MCQ pattern. Okay, so this year it will not be. This year you will write descriptive pattern, but still we are not sure if there is third wave or something else happen. That is later to think. Right now it is again the same descriptive pattern of examination that your super seniors used to write. Okay, and that came over the years. ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್? ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೋ MCQ questions. Of course in that also we have 8 to 10 MCQ question, but it is descriptive pattern of examination that you people will face. Okay, and next question is, sir, will our syllabus be reduced? That question is yet to be answered by the government, and let us see whether they will reduce the syllabus or they will keep the 100% syllabus from textbook 1 and textbook 2, and they will extend the academic year. That will be answered by the government. For now, let us start the 100% syllabus in these classes. If at all suddenly government says they will reduce 30%, well and good, we will immediately reduce even the classes that we do, even the chapters that we do in this channel. So basically for now, let us prepare for 100% itself, for the descriptive pattern of examination itself. If you are prepared by this, tomorrow whatever method the examination may be, MCQ or descriptive or some other method, everything these classes will definitely help you. Okay, that is what I can say. Now coming to who can pass their maths? Anybody can pass in maths. That question not, sir nan fail ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ maths ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಇದೆ. Forget. No, I will tell you, nobody. It is very easy to pass in 10th mathematics. I will tell you, very easy. You come for 2 days. 2 days you come to my classes. I will tell you 2 or 3 days I will make you pass. But pass is not the point. Pass ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ easy, very simple. Anybody can pass maths 10th standard. Anyone can pass. But you who are watching, who are my viewers, not only pass. There of course pass. If you continuously watch my videos, pass is just forget about that. Okay, you should aim for better marks and better knowledge. More than marks, better knowledge and better confidence in mathematics. So now, this is the important thing that you should know. Same pattern is same, and everyone can pass. This ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮರೆತು ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ now next important thing that you people today, my entire class will not start my class today. Okay, today I will give introduction to mathematics. These things I want to share, so that let us start with more confident. By next tomorrow, that is next class, again 6 to 7 class, we will start our first chapter, that is arithmetic progression, from tomorrow. Okay, so now coming back to this class, introduction to mathematics, I told you anybody can pass. Next point, sir, there are so many problems, can we do that? Definitely you can do that. That is why your textbooks are made, keeping in mind you people that you can do it. That is why it is made. Okay, there are thousands of problems. Even from outside textbook, there are guide, there are many books which has lakhs of problems. But should we solve all the problems? Always? Not always. Not always we solve all the problems. First point is to understand the concept behind each chapter. ಏನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ all the entire chapter. This also I will definitely help you people how to mind map each chapters. So these things you need to keep in mind. Then so nothing to worry, we can ella problem solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. First point is to understand. Next point, ಬರೀ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ can you be confident in mathematics? Definitely no. To be good and better at mathematics, there is only one way, that is to practice work. Work practice illa andre maths barak sadhyane illa. It is impossible for anyone. Without practice and working, mathematics is not their piece of cake. Barala. You paಠ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ, you go tuition, you go to here to classes, my classes, whatever. If you just listen and come, it is definite that you will make mistake, errors, and you can't get good marks, or you will not even get confidence in mathematics. First important point for confidence in mathematics is practice. How much you practice, so much confidence will go on building. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇರೋ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ? ನೋ, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. You also must be smart. Smartness and working hard together should go together. ಬರೇ ಇರೋ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ 24 hours ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. You must be more confident by you'll be more confident by solving the problem, by practicing them. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ I am definitely there to help you all people. This is the next thing that I want to share. So next, I told you ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ your examination is 100 marks. For 100 marks, it is total on your marks card that comes for 100 marks. In that 100 marks, we divide it. Okay. So how they divide? 20 marks is internal assessment. Andre school alli your teacher puts those 20 marks for you. How she will put that 20 marks for you? She put that 20 marks basis on your FA marks. You write 4 FAs, FA1, FA2. Then you write one essay, summative assessment in the midterm, that is called as midterm, before your Dasra holidays. Then you write FA3, FA4. Then you write essay 2, summative assessment 2. Based on these things, summative assessment is actually final exam, but we in school, we also do that, so that based on these marks, all these marks, it is reduced. And also your activities. Don't forget, activities are very important this year. When you are in 8th and 9th, of course it was important, but this year it is an important document that the board asks from each student. Each student must give the document, show the document to the board to nimga 20 marks sigbeku andre you should have the documents that you did activity. So this will be taken care by your school, don't worry. But these 20 marks is again very important. 20 marks alla nam school alla kotbiಡ್ತಾರೆ anta illa, because we see earlier you were my students, we used to give more marks because looking at you, we used to give marks. But here we can't simply give marks. Okay, we give marks based on your performance, based on your activities, based on these things, because this will be again checked by 3-member committee coming from the board. Check ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ we teachers will be very specific about it. So you must submit your activities, you must write all your exams proper time, correct time ಅಲ್ಲಿ exam ಬರಿಬೇಕು, test ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Activities you must give to your teachers in a regular basis. Whenever they say, give it, because these are the important things which will be kept as document for your 20 marks. 1 marks ಕೂಡ important, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ percentageಗೆ ಅದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now coming to the rest, 20 marks, you understand, no, 20 marks is purely given by your teachers. It depends on your activity, FA marks. Okay, 20ಗೂ ನೀವು 20 out of 20 ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you must do all the FA test, you must submit all the activities. Okay, then only you will be able to get 20 marks. This is reduced, all these exams is reduced and it put into 20 marks. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So now coming to next one, that is your 20 marks. This 20 marks, how do you get this 20 marks? This 80 marks, sorry, this 80 marks, a very big mark, 80 marks. So ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದು 80 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 80 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 80 ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 50 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 65 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. Out of 100, how much you got? 65. So this is how they calculate 80 for examination, 20 for your school internal assessment. Now coming to this 80 marks, it's a very big marks, of course. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಬರೀ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಧ್ಯೆಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ the 80 marks will be asked. How this 80 marks will be asked? Even there we have divisions. Each chapter has specific marks to it. That is called as blueprint. This we will discuss in further classes. ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Anyway, I told you marks is not a concern for all my viewers, should never be a concern. But still ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ I will tell ಹೊರತು don't think these classes are for marks. If anybody are coming to my classes for marks, I will tell please go out of my class. Classes are not for marks. Okay? So, ಈ ಒಂದು blueprint ಇದೆ. For each chapter there will be particular marks. That we need to know. So that we will give importance to that subjects. Of course, all are important again. Next, even after giving the blueprint, even among that question, there are varieties of question. Few questions are called as understanding. Few questions are called as comprehension. Few questions are called as applications. What are these questions? Andre, now there will be few questions where just by simple application, by understanding the concepts, you can solve that. There are few questions you have to comprehend. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You can't answer those questions without thinking. You need to put your mind to that. Okay? So ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಹೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. Okay, because these questions are out of textbook only, you can say. Most of the times the concepts are there, but the questions will not be in textbook or anywhere. Only if you understood the concepts artha agidre matra you can apply your mind and solve these problems. So these problems will be nearly to 20 to 25 marks in all the examinations, especially in science and mathematics. It is definitely that you will have these application problems where those who are mugging up, those who are by-hearting things, you can never solve it. Only those who understand can solve these problems. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ you can do anything. Okay, because these problems are important where you have to apply your mind. To apply your mind, of course, the only method is to listen to the classes, working hard, okay, and practice. ಈ ಮೂರು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನೂ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, so this is how 80 marks is divided. For each chapter it has weightage, and among the chapters also there is different types of question they will ask in the question in the examination. So now let us forget about all this. So just you people can remember 80 marks is for exam, 20 marks is for internal assessment for the school marks, and out of 80 marks each chapter has some specified marks. Okay, and among that also we have these divisions. Now this, if you are coming to my classes regularly from today, this will be taken care of. Okay, after each chapters I will give you few question papers, few worksheets to solve one important question. You can solve important questions where I will refer to more than 5 or 6 year question papers, and I will upload those in the description box where you can click and download them. Okay, I will get from each chapter important questions, important concepts, important formulas, and what are the important things that we need to remember. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ತರ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು after each chapter I will definitely give you those worksheets and those notes, so that definitely that will help you. Okay, these things you all can gather, can have with you, take a xerox of it and keep with you. Okay, so this I will take care of. All 80 marks kuda, that is my responsibility, and I am sure that if you are my regular viewers from today, adu nan jawabdari nimmanna ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ. ಏನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮೀ. So you just come to my classes and just practice whatever I say. Next important point is, so we are going to school, we are going to tuitions, and also coming to your classes. Who should we follow, sir? Whom should you follow? It is left to you, because you are you are a better judge when to know whom to follow, what type of ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, I at least will try to make it easy, but there are very good teachers than me. I can't tell only I am the good teacher. There are so many. I'm able to do these classes because I understand YouTube, I have camera, everything I am able to do. But there are so many beautiful teachers, okay, beautiful in terms of whether the knowledge, whether efforts, okay, who can teach very excellently, okay, better than me. So if there are such teachers for you, you can definitely firstly follow them and then me. Okay, so each chapters, when you're listening in class, when you're listening in tuition and also these classes, you may feel, you may repetitions, no more repetitions, concepts will sink more times. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗೆ. ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ 3 ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ದೇವ್ರ ನಾಮ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ದಿನ ಕೇಳಿ 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 ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಡು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಂತ್ಯಾಕ್ಷರಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ 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 ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಹಂಗನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್. Because anybody who is teaching you, you must respect them because they are teaching you. Okay, you listen everywhere, but when you're following few steps, when you're following the problems, okay, you can follow a particular teacher whom you feel more better. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. which you feel this is you feel comfortable, you can follow them. But my request is, wherever you're going, you must listen to the classes very keenly. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. Few already finished first chapter AP and they gone to second chapter also. But still, when you're listening to me, it will be a revision to you. And these videos will always remain in YouTube, in my channel. So anytime you can go and see and brush them, those important problems. And of course, there are hundreds of problems. And we will be able to solve all the problems in my YouTube channel? Definitely not. But I will be solving few important problems which are tricky, which need more attention, which need your application, which need your concentration, which ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ I know. Those problems I will definitely, I'm going to solve. But nearly from each chapter, whichever I feel most important and which need your applications type ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, where you will miss. So these things I will definitely teach you from each chapter, and we will try to solve nearly 70 to 75% of problems from, and few other problems I will give as homework. Okay, you can do that homework. If you have any doubt, you can just get back to me, ask those doubt in the comment box. Okay, whatever it is, it can be left to you. Okay, that you can do. So next important thing is, now coming back to your chapter, what are the chapters that are there, okay, in your 10th standard mathematics? You have totally 8 plus 6 chapters, 14 chapters. You have 14 chapters. Okay, so in part 1 you have 8 chapters, and part 2 you have 6 chapters. So all these chapters are, I told you, each is the basis for whatever you study in higher. So now, if you see, I have just briefly made a point. See, even I am ready. Someday I can't come and speak. Now I should also be ready when I speak to you. So even I have made something. So you also should be ready when you do something. When you're going to exam tomorrow, you're completely ready. So okay, now, so if you see in part 1, okay. So in part 1 there are 8 chapters. In part 2 there are 6 chapters. Now most of the chapters are just like a continuation of your 9th standard. Okay, your teachers would have definitely told you same chapter, same heading, it will be repeated in 10th standard. Ade heading go ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ extension of what I will study in 9th standard. Okay, in that you would remember recently we studied surface area and volume in 9th standard. This year again same chapter, again it carries more marks and very important chapter. Okay, so now in part 1, what are the chapters that are there? Just briefly, if I want to tell you, there is first chapter called Arithmetic Progression. It is a very easy chapter. For this you need to know the basic knowledge of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For this, my important suggestion is, go to my channel. There is a bridge course that I did only for arithmetic bridge course. Go and watch that video fully. So you'll be more confident to how to solve the integers, fraction, decimals, multiplication, basic arithmetic concepts. I've very nicely explained there, and also given a worksheet there, so you can solve that and be confident. Only for arithmetic. For geometry bridge course, for algebra bridge course, I'll very soon bring the video for that also. Now that is first chapter, arithmetic progression. Second chapter is triangles. It was already there in 9th. Again the same triangles. There you studied something called as congruent triangles. This year you'll be studying about similar triangles. Okay, so what is this? We'll explain in next classes. Next, pair of linear equations. Idu kuda ittu nimge linear equations anta itti. Ivaga pair of linear equations. Okay, so next, this is the important chapter again. You have graph here. Last year you would have done graph. You also have a graph here which carries 4 marks in your examination. Next, coming to circles. Idu kuda you would have studied about circles, what is diameter, chord, secant, tangent. There are many things related to circle. Circle nodak tumba chikkudu, but circle the basis for everything. I'm telling you, entire universe stands on this circle. Okay, So now, and areas related to circle is the next chapter. Areas related to circle. Circle and takshana adukkondu area irutte. So we have to study about that area. Next, of course, constructions. Construction ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ construction ಅದರ continuation of those construction. We will construct tangents here. We will construct similar triangles in this year. We will construct tangents from external point. Okay, we will construct line, dividing the line. These things, it is very simple and very easy. ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Next, coming to coordinate geometry ಅಂತ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಓದಿದ್ರಿ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಓದಿದ್ರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಓದಿದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 0,0, ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಇಸ್ 0,0, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. Next, last chapter is about real numbers. This also is a continuation from 9th standard. In 9th standard, you would have studied about number system, where irrational andrenu, rational andrenu, okay, to construct, locate root 2, root 3 on the number line. This all you would have studied. The same thing is continuation, very small chapter this year. This is about your part 1. Okay, here AP, triangles, pair of linear equations are very important chapters. Very important chapters. Those are the beginning chapters itself. Okay. Next, coming to part 2, very important textbook. Okay. Here, first chapter itself, polynomials. That is already there. You are already there. It studied in 9th standard. You already studied same thing. Exactly, almost same thing. It is there. Just on 10% addition. Tumba small chapter. Next, coming to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means you are studying linear equation. Linear equation is power 1. Quadratic equation is power 2. Okay, this I will explain here. Let us go. Quadratic equation. Next, we have very important chapter, that is, you would have heard from your seniors, trigonometry. Trigonometry is everything today. Trigonometry illa andre illa ivatu enu illa. So trigonometry is a very important chapter that you will study, and you will also study about applications of trigonometry. Henge trigonometry na ಈ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟುಡೇ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ 2 chapters 100% very important, more marks. And last chapter I told you, surface area and volume. Okay, so these are the important chapters that you have, and only 14 chapters. I can assure you we can definitely finish this syllabus very soon. Okay, this is we are now at end of July. We will just finish it all the chapters by December end, so that after December we can just have a revision classes, series of revision classes. We can have scoring package classes. We can have passing package classes, formula discussion classes, quiz series. We can have so many things after December. So let us finish all this. Even in your school, they will finish your syllabus within December. This year it might go little farther, but anyhow, we in these classes, I at least will try to finish entire syllabus within this December. So after December, let us prepare for the examination. So these are the important things I wanted to tell in this introduction to mathematics. And I request all of you, all the 10th standard students who are watching this, and also those who have finished 10th standard, those are still watching this video, share this video and ask your juniors to join these classes. And those who are watching 10th standard, ask your friends to join. See, most of the time, most of the friends, if they have fear of mathematics, or this pandemic, they have ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So it will be very difficult to afford for tuitions. For all of them, these classes will definitely help. We are not charging anything. This is not for any business purpose or anything. It is just purely to help you students. Okay, nothing else we have here. Our intention to help you and make you more confident in mathematics and learn to think. So this is our motive from these classes. So today I just done. So this will be the last class where I will talk so much. Only means without solving anything. Of course, I talk too much. You will get to know in your future classes. I talk too much. So we will talk and solve the problems together. Let it be a collective learning. We'll learn together. I can make mistakes. You can even correct those mistakes in the comment box. Ask me, get me back. Okay. I am not like other maybe big YouTube channels. Okay. I will be definitely always be with you, even if this tomorrow if it becomes 1,000 subscribers also, I will try my best to reply to you. I'll definitely help you. We are doing this class only to help you. So this is my important things about this classes and this especially this class. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. Okay, and my request is make you maximum utilization of these classes so that we also will be satisfied when you get some benefit to these classes. By saying this, only today classes is ending today, but tomorrow classes it will go for nearly more than 40 minutes. Okay, so keep your internet pack ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು for Saturday and Sunday definitely 6 to 7 it is for mathematics. Keep those time for mathematics. And one more important suggestion is every day for at least now, if you are not have the habit of studying, please make a habit of studying at least start by half an hour. ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಾಫ್ ಅನ್ ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ 45 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾಳೆ 1 ಅವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 1.5 ಅವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 2 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಬೇಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ more than 2 hours. Of course you have activities, homework, all that you will have. Okay, homework also you should consider as reading. Homework na ಮೊದಲವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೀಚ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಕೂಡ ಓದುವ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If I give few problems for homework, your teacher give, when you are doing that problem, do it. Okay, don't copy it, do it those problems. Okay, understand and do. That will be a practice for you again. So that will also be added to this 2 hours. So maximum writing homework and doing, don't read more than 2.5 hours. Okay, 2 hours ಸಾಕು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 2 hours ಸಾಕು. Then when examination coming, we let us see after examination coming. For now, at least start from 30 minutes, go up to 2 hours this year, and I don't think you should stop this. Okay, this must be a habit for you throughout your life, till you are studying. And of course, after that also, learning is each one grows by learning. I can't say I have learned everything and you today only stop. Nobody is 100% knowledgeable person. Only our libraries are. Okay, no one in this planet is. So it is always a process we're learning. So these are the important things I wanted to suggest. Anything else you wanted to tell, you can definitely comment in the comment box. Okay, we will definitely reply to you. Share this video to your friends, ask them to watch full and come to classes from tomorrow 6 to 7. Okay, so I'll be sending the link to most of you. We have a WhatsApp group. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can just text me. I put the contact number there. You can text me. I'll join you to the WhatsApp group for 10th standard students only. ಹಳೆಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಹಳೆಬ್ರು ಬೇಡ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 10th standard students who are presently entering. Okay, post covid batch ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, post covid batch ಅಂತ. So anyhow, so nice speaking to you today. This class, it is a very special class to me also. So let us meet tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Let us start the first chapter, Arithmetic Progression, tomorrow. So good night all of you. Share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, like ಮಾಡಿ. So bye all of you.